The Martian movie, directed by Ridley Scott and based on the novel by Andy Weir, generally adheres to scientific accuracy. However, there are a few scenes that deviate from scientific realism for the sake of storytelling and dramatic effect. Here are a couple of examples. The sandstorm. In the beginning of the film, a powerful sandstorm on Mars forces the crew to abort their mission and evacuate. While dust storms do occur on Mars, the intensity depicted in the movie is exaggerated. Martian winds are typically much weaker due to the planet's thin atmosphere, so a storm of that magnitude causing damage to the spacecraft and endangering the crew is unlikely. Watney's crop cultivation. After being stranded alone on Mars, astronaut Mark Watney, played by Matt Damon, manages to grow potatoes inside the habitat. While it's true that Watney uses his own waste and the Martian soil to create a makeshift greenhouse, the process of growing enough food to sustain himself for an extended period would be much more challenging and time-consuming in reality. Mars has extremely thin and nutrient-poor soil, and the harsh environmental conditions make it difficult for plants to thrive. Despite these minor departures from scientific accuracy, The Martian is generally praised for its attention to scientific detail and for promoting a realistic portrayal of a manned mission to Mars.